Say the prayer. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Yeah. Very good, children. Very nice, very nice. Okay, fine. So, what are the things we learned the culmination 5, children? Yes? We learned alphabet from A to W, right? Numbers from 1 to 19. And some of the concepts like pollution, transport. Yeah, right? And then learn some colors and learn some shapes, some more shapes, right? And pepper story. Yeah? Yes, right? No? Fine. Now we are in the revision. Okay, this is a revision period. So that's why ma'am is revising all the objects. Shivanya, you have stencil. Yeah, what is the name of that object? Stencil. Say?
Stencil.
Stencil. Okay, right. Afterwards, you can write all the alphabet using that. Okay, right? First, you have to learn how to write the alphabet. Then you can use the stencil and all. Right, Shivanya? Good girl. Now you can play with that. Okay? Fine, children. Yes, all get ready for aerobics. We haven't do our aerobics, right? Stand up all. All get ready. Exercise. Oh, sorry. Yes, start. Janvi, shut up. Run. Harsha, Letitia, very good following. Very nice. All sit and take some rest. Okay? Yes, fine, fine, fine. Now it's a concept time. Okay, right? What are the concepts we have seen? Yesterday I taught you the transports. Yes, remember? Yes, transport. What are the three types of transport, children? Say, what are the three types of transport?
Air transport.
Very good.
Land transport.
Land and water transport. Very good, very good, very good. சொல்லுங்க மது. Come on, tell.
சொல்லுங்க என்னன்னு.
Road transport.
Ah,
Water transport. And air transport.
very nice, very nice. What are the vehicles in road transport?
அதுல என்ன
Madhu?
சொல்லுங்க. ரோட் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்ல என்ன சொல்லுங்க.
What are the vehicles run on the road?
Bus.
Bus,
Car.
car.
Bicycle. Road power.
Very nice. Now Shivanya in space. Shivanya will say the air transport. She is flying in the air.
சொல்லு.
Aeroplane.
Very good. Then
Helicopter.
helicopter.
அப்புறம்
Then
சொல்லு சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Parachute.
parachute. Very good, very good.
Hot air.
Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon. Okay. Rocket also air transport. Okay. Because it will carry the satellites and missiles. Okay. Yes, yes. So, Shivanya, I think you are in space now, right?
Yes.
Can you touch the sun, star, moon and all? Very nice, very nice.
That is missing my hand.
Oh, touching with your hand or mixing?
Mixing with her hand.
Oh, mixing. Oh, yes, yes. All the sun, moon, stars, planets. Yes, all the things put together and mix with your hand. Okay? Good, good, good. Very nice. So sweet, dear. Okay, Varsha, you say what are the water transport? Varsha?
Canoe.
Boat.
Boat. Canoe. Then?
Canoe.
Yesterday I shown all the things. Houseboat.
Houseboat.
Ship. Yacht. Steamer. Yes, yes. Kayak. Submarine. Those are known as water transport. They will sail in the water. Yeah, they will sail in the water. Okay. And next, today ma'am is going to revise you about the pollution. What is pollution, children? Yes, what is air pollution? Yes, making the air dirty. Making the air dirty. Yes, that is known as air pollution. Okay, what is water pollution? Litiksha, say what is water pollution?
Water pollution.
Water animal is hippopotamus. Okay. What is water pollution means? Making the water untidy. Making the water untidy. Making the air dirty is known as air pollution. Making the water spoiling is known as water pollution. Okay, children. Let's see again about water pollution and air pollution. Come on. Yeah. Yes, this is smoke coming out from the factories. Yeah, factories emitting too much of noise and smoke. A dirty smoke coming out from the factories and vehicles. Smoke coming out from the vehicles, road vehicles. Okay, these are making our air polluted. These are making our air pollution. Okay, they will spoil those smoke come out from the vehicles, factories, even in our fridge also. Okay, fridge and AC also emitting some poisonous gases coming out, some poisonous gases from our fridge, AC and all, also spoiling the air. Okay, atmosphere. So it cause a, yes, it causes air pollution. Okay, the next thing is water pollution. The dirty water coming out from our houses and factories, we are all letting the bad water into the good water, waste water into the good water. Okay, so this bad water spoiling full good water. Nowadays we are getting dirty water only we are getting for drinking and all the purposes, right? So we should not let the wastewater into the water bodies. Okay, right, children? This is cause water pollution. Okay, see, simply we are throwing without knowing, without sense, we are throwing all the way unwanted things, plastic things, wrappers, and papers, glasses, everything. Simply we will throw into the water bodies or some ground. Okay, once rain is coming, all will take the rain, carry all the way unwanted things to carry and add into the water bodies. So this way the water bodies are getting spoiled. So because of the spoiling we are getting dirty water. Okay, that is good for, no, that is not good for drinking. So we are not supposed to throw the things into the water bodies or in the ground. We should always throw the waste things into a, where should we throw? Children say, where should we throw our waste things? Unwanted things? Yes, dustbin. Very good, very good. We have to throw all the unwanted things into the dustbin. Okay, fine. And the next thing is, yes, this is water spoilage. Yeah, dirty water mixed with the good water bodies and spoiling the full water. Okay, and this is forest. Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down the trees. We are not supposed to cut the trees. We should always grow the trees. We should always plant more and more trees, because plants only giving us a good pure air. Okay, purified air. The poisonous gas carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the trees inhale the carbon dioxide and exhale the oxygen. Okay, oxygen is only the thing used to breathe. Okay, used to live. Yes, so we should not cut the trees. Okay, we should not burn the trees. Right, children? Yeah. Now I'll show you some good habits. Right? So what this girl is doing? What this girl is doing, children? She is planting a plant. Yes. So all must grow at least one tree in our house. Okay, right? Plant some seeds. One day it will grow up as a tree. Okay, fine. Plant trees. We should always throw the waste things into the dustbin. We should not throw here and there. We should not spit on the commonplace walls, floors and all. We should spit into the wash basin. Okay? Yes. So we should not spit here and there. And we should not throw waste things in the water bodies. Okay? Avoid throwing waste things into the water bodies. Next, We should not throw wafers on the road. We should throw wafers in the dustbin. Okay, fine. We should not use car or bike for short distance journey. Okay, that is not good because car and bikes are emitting so much of smoke. It will cause cough and lung infections. We breathe the smoke, this poisonous smoke, we will get we will get sick. Okay, we'll get fall into the sick. So avoid taking car and bikes for short distance places. Okay, don't cut the trees. Should not cut the trees. That is a wrong action. Plant more trees. Plant more and more trees. Okay. Take a walk for short distance places. Don't use car, motorbike or some other vehicles. Don't use for short. If you want to travel in a long distant place means we are not supposed to walk that much distance. That is quite normal. We can use the vehicles, but short distance places, take a walk, children. Okay. Don't ask parent to take car. No, I can't walk. My legs will pain. Don't tell like that. Okay. Daddy, we can go by walk for shopping and all, because don't use the vehicles, because vehicles are our enemies for our pollution environment. Okay, you should say like that, right? And throw all the waste things into the waste bin. Okay, throw all the waste things into the waste bin, right? Okay, yeah, fine. So these are the spoilages of environment, spoiling things for our environment. Okay, right, children? This is our concept, right? Now, ma'am is going ask you to Venda. Yes, come on now. Take your slate and write 1 to 19 numbers. Write and show me. Yes, yes. Children, did you complete? Only Sai Shivanya has sent only her activity sheet. Making tree with paint. What about the others? Haven't complete? Others are not yet complete, children. Have to complete and send. Okay? Yes. Come on. Now take your slate and write 1 to 19 numbers. Yes, Jason, come on. Take your slate, Janavi. Varsha, Adan, Madhu, Shivanya. Come on, come on, come on.
Page number, ma'am.
No, slate, slate.
Slate, ma'am.
Take slate and write 1 to 19 numbers.
One.
Adan, you're flying in the aeroplane.
First line, one line.
One layer. Right from 1 to 19. 1, 2, 3, like that.
Not like Yasmin mom taught you. You should write first 1 to 19 fully. No, you should not put that 4 columns. You just write from part 1 to 19.
He wants 4 columns.
Yes, ma'am. Yasmin mom taught like that. So you should write 4 columns.
Okay. Okay, but first you write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to next page, put the column and give Jason mummy. Please. Let him write on his own. Now, I think now you are all very thorough, right? Mummy will say the sequence and you have to write on your own. Otherwise, shall I say? Yes? Write 1. 1. Write 1. Now, 2. Two. Write 2. Next. 3. 3. And then 4. 4. Oh, Madhuvanti, before that finished. 1, 2, 3. Move little the slate. கொஞ்சம் இந்த பக்கம் தள்ளி காட்டுங்க. இந்த பக்கம். Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Where is 18 and 19, Madhu?
Yes, ma'am. சொல்லுங்க.
18, 19, where it is?
89.
Yes. Okay. Very good, Madhuvanti. And Sai Shivani also finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Good job. Very good, Da.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
No.
So you're moving?
No.
I haven't closed the session. I didn't close.
Mom is fighting. நான் fight பண்ணேன்.
Okay, that you finished means write alphabet, Shivanya. Madhu and Shivanya, write alphabet. A to W. A to W. Yes. Jason, Litiksha, Varsha and Janavi, Adan completed. Yes, Adan. Good job. What are the numbers? Say 1, 2. Show me once, Adan.
Scribbled on that, ma'am.
Oh, started to scribble.
Instead of erasing, he'll scribble everything, ma'am, after writing.
Aha. Adan, ma'am want to see everything, Kanna.
இங்க பாருங்க, ma'am பார்க்கணும். Ma'am பார்த்து very good சொல்லணும்.
Yes. I'll give you star.
Okay. இன்னொரு வாட்டி எழுதலாம், ஓகேவா?
Litiksha finished, Ada? Litiksha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Heba, come on, turn the side.
She writing, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Right, 12 after. Right, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Jason finished? Yes. Very good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Very good, Madhu. Good job. Clap for you. X, Y, Z also completed. Very good. Nice, Madhuvanti. Very good. Madhu, write your name and show. Come on, write your name.
சொல்லுங்க நேம் சொல்லுங்க.
Yes. Your mic is mute. Say now.
சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Madhurti, full spelling you know means say Kanna. Say Kanna. You're great. A. Madhuvanti. Very great. Very great. Madhu, what's your father's name?
சொல்லுங்க ஃபாதர்ஸ் நேம் சொல்லுங்க ஃபாதர்ஸ் நேம் சொல்லுங்க அது இங்க பாரு ஃபாதர்ஸ் நேம் கேக்குறாங்க சொல்லுங்க
Yes, yes, our time is over. Jason, finish Jason. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Very good, Jason. Good job. Jason, ma'am, clapping hands for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Shivanya, it's not clear for me, but you have completed, right?
பேசுறாங்கல்ல.
Yes. Very nice, very nice. Very few letters only it's visible, Shivanya. It's glaring.
Yes, ma'am. She wrote some letters in light, ma'am. Very light.
That's M, P, Q. That's and all I can see. U, yes. Okay. Anyway, good job, Shivanya. Very good job. Okay.
Up to Z she wrote, ma'am.
Up to Z completed. Yes. Yeah, great. Are you able to write your name, Shivanya?
No.
Shivanya? Yes. Only identification you
can
know,
only
right?
identify.
Yes. What about other children? Varsha and Janavi? Litiksha? Yes, Janavi completed. Yes. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Very good, Janavi. Neat work. Litiksha completed. Very good, Litiksha. Good job. Varsha, you alone not yet shown. Yes. Good job. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good job, Varsha. Okay, completed. ABCD too. Oh, very great. Then you are great. ABCD, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Very nice. Okay, no problem. You remove. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Oh, yeah. All are writing up to Z, children. Great job. Yes, finish. Shall we play one game? Children, are you ready? Yes. Go and bring your ball. All go and get your ball, children. Get one ball. Yes. Throw the ball on the wall and try to catch. On the wall. Slowly, Madhuvanti. Yes, try to catch. Try to catch. Yes. Adan, come on, Adan. Jason, throw the ball on the wall. Wall. Sir, you do one thing. First, to throw the ball into the floor and catch. Try to catch. Floor. Drop the ball on the floor and catch. Put the ball on the floor and catch. to catch. Yes, very nice. Ah, Janavi, great, great. Try to catch, catch. Slowly you throw. Throw the ball slowly. Great. Madhu, why you got tired? Madhu, are you tired, Madhu? Yeah, play like that. Now keep the ball down and try to jump. Jump over the ball. Yes, keep the ball down. Take a big ball. Yes, keep the ball down. Don't widen your legs. Don't widen your legs. Join your legs together and try to jump. Don't widen. Widen your legs. Ah, Janavi, try, try. Children, jump your ball. Stop throwing your ball. Stop throwing. Keep your ball in a place. See what Janavi is doing. Very good. Janavi is trying. Good job, Janavi. Very good, very good. Litiksha, what happened to you? You fell down, Litiksha. Jason, don't widen your legs. Hold Amma's hand and try to jump, children.
குதி ரெண்டு காலையும் ஒண்ணா வச்சிட்டு குதிக்கணும்.
ஒண்ணா வச்சிட்டு. Yes. Don't widen your legs. Just give a trial. Hold Amma's hand. Very good, Litiksha. Good job. Madhu, where are you? Madhu, come on, jump, Madhu. Okay, enough. That's enough. Now take a notebook and keep it on your head and give a walk. Madhu, yes. But don't touch. Slowly, you have to slow like a cat. Slowly. Balancing. Litiksha, Jason, fall down. No, Litiksha, don't touch the book. It's falling, right? Yes, Madhu. Yes. Very good, Madhu. But don't touch. Very nice. Litiksha, good, Litiksha. Try again. Janavi, don't touch. Slowly. You first keep the book and balance yourself. Then you slowly walk. Give step by step. Okay. Litiksha, slowly walk. Don't touch. Jahnavi, great. I told you, right? It will come. You just try, keep on try. Very nice. Okay, fine, children. Now drink some water. All come and sit and drink some water. Drink some water. You'll be tired. Okay, stop play. So fine, children. Okay, right. From next week, we'll start our culmination 6, children. Okay. Make the row of all the concepts, alphabets and numbers. Right? Okay. Here ma'am is going to wind up the session. I'll meet you on Monday. Okay, right? Thank you very much, children.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Adan?
Bye, ma'am.
Adan, mummy. Bye-bye. Adan, mummy.
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't submit the consent form?
Yes, ma'am. We'll submit it today, ma'am.
Yes, today you have to submit. Okay, please. Okay, right.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Sure.
Thank you.
What is that form, ma'am? I'm not aware of it.
You didn't get that form? Consent form, it's in Google format.
Yes, ma'am. I got the message, ma'am. Got
There's
it.
a Jason, mummy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I have my WhatsApp issue. Was it sent through WhatsApp?
You just clarify with Uma ma'am, please.
Okay, sure. I'll call Uma ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Because they are only sending.
Because I changed my mobile number, so.
Okay. Might be you couldn't get.
Sure,
Yes,
I'll
please.
check.
You get clarity from Uma ma'am or sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Chintu. Where is
Where is Chintu? Wait.